Hello friends, welcome to Civilbysaurabh YouTube channel. Today topic is steel calculation for column. That is IS 456-2000. That is maximum percentage of steel is 6%. Minimum percentage of steel is 0.8%. Column size consider as 400 mm into 400 mm. First calculate the maximum reinforcement area is equal to 6% into 400 is equal to 9600 mm square. Then calculate the minimum reinforcement area is equal to 0.8% into 400 is equal to 1280 mm square. Number of reinforcement considering that is 16 mm diameter. Number of bar is equal to area of steel upon area of one bar is equal to 1280 upon pi by 4 into d square. D means diameter of bar and pi is constant. Pi value will consider as 3.14 is equal to 1280 upon pi by 4 into 16 square, that is 6.36. Approximately 7 bars required. Thank you so much.